Hey everyone, it's Bailama. Today, we're tackling a question I hear all the time. What are the 5 most anti-aging exercises for those over 40? We're talking simple, effective moves that require zero equipment, so you can do them anywhere, anytime. Let's get cracking. All right, legends. First up, we're hitting those legs with some classic squats. Squats help us maintain muscle mass, which is like gold dust as we age. We naturally start losing muscle as we get older, but squats help fight that, keeping you strong and feeling young. Think about it. Getting up from a chair, lifting heavy grocery bags, playing with the grandkids. Those everyday activities all use those leg muscles that squats work. Plus, squats are brilliant for balance. They fire up all those stabilizing muscles, helping you stay steady on your feet and prevent those nasty falls we want to avoid. When you're doing a squat, picture sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer squats with good form than loads with bad form. Squats, my friends, are like a fountain of youth for your legs. Next up, we're building some upper body strength with push-ups. Push-ups are amazing for building strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, all crucial for staying strong and independent as we age. Think about it, pushing open a heavy door, carrying shopping bags, even just giving someone a hug. Strong arms make a world of difference. And the beauty of push-ups is that they can be modified to suit any fitness level. If you're just starting out, try wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, arms shoulder width apart, and lean in until your chest touches the wall. Then push back up. Once you get stronger, you can progress to knee push-ups or even full push-ups. Remember, form is key. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and lower down until your chest grazes the floor. Let's unlock that inner superhero. Chapter 3. Planks, your core's best friend. A strong core is essential for everything we do, from walking and standing to maintaining good posture and preventing back pain. And when it comes to core strength, planks are king. Planks might look easy, but trust me, they're a killer workout for your abs, back, and even your glutes. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold your body in a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold for as long as you can. If you're new to planks, start with shorter holds, like 10 to 15 seconds, and gradually increase your time as you get stronger. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter time than to collapse into a heap after a few seconds. A strong core equals a strong you, so let's plank our way to a healthier, happier back and a more youthful feeling body. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great tips and exercises. Chapter 4. Lunges, step up your leg game. Lunges are fantastic for building strength and stability in your legs, particularly your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also challenge your balance and coordination, which are so important as we age. Think about it, climbing stairs, stepping over obstacles, even just walking with confidence. Lunges help you tackle all those everyday activities with ease. To do a lunge, take a big step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Let's get those legs strong and steady. Chapter 5. Glute bridges. Power up your posterior chain. We're showing some love to our glutes and lower back with glute bridges. These might seem like a simple exercise, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to strengthening your posterior chain. Strong glutes and a strong lower back are crucial for good posture, preventing back pain and maintaining mobility as we age. To do a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for a second or two at the top, then slowly lower back down. You can make glute bridges more challenging by adding a resistance band around your thighs or by doing single-leg glute bridges. Let's give those glutes and lower back the love they deserve. So there you have it, my friends. 5 fantastic exercises that can help you feel younger, stronger, and more energized. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to do these exercises a few times a week, and you'll start to notice a real difference in your strength, mobility, and overall well-being. Stay tuned for our next video to find out what it is. Until then, keep moving, keep smiling, and remember, age is just a number.